What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Sambre'ell and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for the support. So this far, as you can tell by the title today, I am doing a paint with me. Now, hold on. This is paint of koi fish. I did like 2021. Well, I finished it, but I wanted to add some here, so I'm gonna add a white and red koi fish. So yeah, watch me paint. So after prepping, I took a picture of the painting and I flipped my phone upside down because I want the second fish to have the same shape. So I basically just freehanded it off my phone. I took a picture of it off my old phone and just kind of like pinched it and zoomed it in, and, until I got it right. This is the right layout, and I'll shape it up as I go along, but this is just the gist. Y'all, the angle is not that great in this clip. I am literally on the floor painting, but throughout this clip I will just be doing the stripes, and hopefully y'all can see that better as it progresses. So yeah. From this point on, y'all can see a lot better, and I am using a pen, but y'all can kind of see that outline a little bit. It's very much coming together. Okay, now that I'm gonna go with color, red and white. The base is white and the stripes or whatever are going to be red. I'm starting at the tail and move my way up towards the head of the fish. I just find that it just gives me a nice flow.
Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
So the crazy thing, right? I'm painting. I check my phone. Why is it not recording? So that's lost footage. So I lost the footage, but either way, the show must go on. Like, it missed all the white outlining in the red. So to make up for time, I might add some lily pads or some kind of like flower, just something little, just something. Okay, so keep watching. This is my favorite part. I love watching it come to life. I did go over it multiple times with the red to just wash out the blue so that you couldn't see it like peeking through. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the clip.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat.
I was definitely looking at my camera to make sure that I was recording. You will see me frequently look to make sure that I am recording.
Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got CEOs out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the footage. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Fuck his ass out, and I'm telling what he saw. Watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Sitting there on a plane, going straight to Medellin. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slept. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
So again, I'm going over again in the areas that I just did. I want it to have that bright pigmented red, and I don't want the blue really peeking through. Now I'm going in with black paint for the eyes. Okay guys, this is how it turned out. It turned out good, like I expected it. I did not add the lily pads like I said I might have because it was late when I finished and my back started to hurt on this floor. So yeah, great. See, y'all know the signature on there. Stop playing with it. Thank you all for taking time out today to watch my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to notify for each time I upload. And y'all know the motto, without change, there's no growth. And if it ain't growing, it's dead. Let's go.